Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Adler, lead producer on Pillars of Eternity. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about our Loc Builder, which is a pretty cool new tool that we have that can help you build localizations for the game. The best part about the localization tool that we have for you is you can build out localizations in the same way that we do. We'll provide you with localization kits that you can then use Excel to enter in translations for, and then you can actually use the Loc Builder to build out all of your string tables that you need so the game can actually read all the files and display everything in game. I'll also show you how to use a text editor to generate an XML file that the game uses so you can actually see your languages inside of the game. After installing the Loc Builder, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your project settings. From there, you can change the export type. We have a bunch of different ones, but you're just going to want to choose string table. That's the one that we're going to use. You're going to set the source folder for your Excel files. That's wherever you're going to install our Excel files. And then you're also going to want to set the folder for where everything's going to be exported. The Loc Builder is a constantly working process, so it's always looking inside where you have our Excel files stored. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up one of the Excel files, and from there you can see we have a bunch of different fields. You don't really have to worry about most of those. The important thing is to look at the English translation fields for both male and for female, and that gives you an indication of what you need to translate. And in the mod and in the mod female, that is where you'll also put your language that you're localizing. So, for example, if you need to translate Wyman's a man of rare vision, you will go over to the mod section on that line. You'll translate it with whatever language you want. Once you save out the file, the Loc Builder will automatically process the file. What it does is it looks to see anything that's been changed and then generates a new string table for you and puts it in wherever you have the localizations being exported. It goes inside a mod folder, and it builds all the folder structures out and builds the string table for you. You can actually open up the string table. Any text editor will work, and you can see it's XML, and you can see all of your lines, you can see all the relevant information, the IDs, everything is in there. Again, it just generates everything for you. It makes it a much easier and faster process for you to be able to make your own languages. So what you're going to want to do is to continue translating all of the Excel files that we have given you. Once you're completely done and you've saved them all out, you should have everything processed and placed into the mod folder. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to generate an XML that the game uses to check all the languages that it needs to load during runtime. The first step is to go back into the folder where you have all of your localized data. Open up the German folder, for example, and then you'll see a language XML in there. I'll go ahead and open that up. You'll notice that there's two fields in there. One of them is a name, the name that is used inside of the game. This one, you can kind of name whatever you want, just something that's accessible to you. The other one is the GUI string. The GUI string is what actually shows up in game, so you'll want to name that whatever you want it to show up as in game. Then you're just going to want to save that out. Go ahead and save that out in the root directory of the mod folder. And if everything has worked out correctly, you should be able to go into your options menu, take a look at your language options, and see your language is there. And that concludes everything in this tutorial showing you how to install and use it. If you have any questions, please let us know on our forums. Thank you.